Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. When I teach in my cooking classes, sometimes students will ask me, could I put bean in my stir fry? In one case, a student told me that she loves chicken in the stir fry and she also really loves bean as well. So she said, could I combine the chicken and the bean together? Well, I told her that I actually have never tried it before, but will be more than happy to work with her to create something like this. And the result was great. We both enjoyed the outcome very much. This dish is actually so simple by using my basic chicken stir fry, but it creates an entirely different type of dish. This is the power of template-based cooking. By making small modifications, you can generate very distinct variations. I'm first going to shallow fry the chicken, and I coat the chicken first with a light layer of cornstarch, and this will give the chicken a slight crispy breading on the outside, but it also will keep the chicken nice and moist inside. In here, instead of using a wok spatula, I use a pair of tongs to tear the chicken apart, and I lay them in a single layer on the surface of the wok. This will give the chicken a light coat of crisp breading. I next add some chopped onions over the chicken. I spread the chopped onion over the chicken because I do not want to disturb the chicken while it is being shallow fried. This is an excellent method to give the chicken a slight fried texture. By layering the onion on the surface of the chicken, it will give the chicken a nice onion flavor. By now the chicken is almost 60% cooked. I'm going to use the wok spatula and stir fry everything together. Here you notice that some of the cornstarch stuck to the surface of the wok, and I use my water cleaning method by put some water right over that surface and use the wok spatula to detach the burnt materials. This is a wonderful tip to make sure that things do not burn to the wok as you cook. Besides the dissolved material, add flavor to the dish. Well, I guess why not clean the wok as you cook? Next, I add a can of red beans to the wok. I add everything, including the fluid in the can. The fluid is actually almost like a gravy. I thought, well, it will make a good sauce for the dish. Well, I choose the red bean at this point without any reason other than I want to test it out to see how it tastes. The red bean is already cooked, so all I need to do is just to warm it up. A can of red bean actually is quite a bit. It will add additional protein to the dish. Also, it will add valuable dietary fibers. I do a taste test of the dish. Actually, it tastes pretty good. Now, I discovered that in this case, the red bean actually is in a brine solution. After tasting it, I decided I'm going to add a little bit of lemon pepper to give it a little bit of a lemon flavor, and I also add some garlic powder. This is what I call flavor chasing because those are the flavor I'm familiar with, and I thought, well, it would make this dish taste better. Actually, I'm really pleased with the red bean because it makes a very nice sauce with the chicken. Looking at the consistency of this dish, I know it's going to go very well with rice. Well, since I have some cherry tomatoes around, I thought it would be nice to add the cherry tomato to give both color, texture, and flavor. Well, I'm very pleased with the outcome. In addition, this dish is very easy to cook. The total cook time is under 5 minutes. I served this dish over rice for dinner. The bean goes really well with rice, and now I understand why rice and bean is such good combination. Personally, I have never cooked this kind of dish to combine the bean in a stir-fry dish, but it turned out to be this is a great addition to a dish because it makes the dish far more interesting and it creates the characteristics that would be lacking in any other type of stir-fry dish. Well, finally, I add some scallions to garnish the dish. Well, it makes the dish actually very attractive. If you love chicken and if you enjoy bean, you will really like this dish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.